My pants on. Ho ho ho! Welcome to my crib. Oh, son of a nutcracker! You scared me. Didn't know you were coming. Merry Christmas, everybody! You get me for a video, and I'm going to show you guys around our bedroom. This is a holiday bedroom home tour, with most pieces here being either vintage or Hobby Lobby Target. So, stick around, here we go! Okay, so we'll start here when you first walk in. Courtney actually found this at a vintage store, just a little house, and we stole some of this from our neighbor. Courtney wants me to be fancy.
Fred, stop, go.
Okay, this beautiful Christmas tree we got at a antique store here as well for only $45, believe it or not. And we got the ornaments at a few different places. We have some smaller ones there that came from, Courtney, help me out.
Target.
They came from Target. Some of the bigger ones came from the thrift store, and I think the other bigger ones that are all gold came from Walmart, of all places. And the bells, you'll see the beautiful bells. Where did we get those from again? Walmart. All right, so here, this pillow here is from Target, and this blanket, Courtney actually got the fabric from Hobby Lobby, and she made it for me herself. And the inside, let me show you the inside. Has like a fleece inside.
Nope.
It's not fleece though.
Sure.
Sure. The corner. Okay, so Courtney got this sled at an antique store as well, and the horn. What is that kind of tree called?
Cedar.
Cedar tree is from our neighbor, and the ornaments were actually, my mother-in-law had them, as well as that garland there, which we put along the window. All right, so Courtney actually has a whole video on how she made this, but this is... Oh.
The glittering of the Christmas tree looks like her dress has lights on it.
No.
It's so pretty.
We also have this glittering picture. So Courtney will link the video down below so you guys can see how she made this and make it for yourself. All right, so in this corner we have some trees from the Target $5 spot. Love that spot. We have a picture here that we got online, as well as another thrifted piece at the bottom here of the Jesus' birth.
The Jesus.
Of the Jesus' birth.
Okay, what else?
To the bed. This is our lovely bed here. This garland we had already, and we bought these bells. The bells actually do make a noise. It doesn't. And they're supposed to make noise. How did I pick the one? All right, these bells were from Target.
From Magnolia.
Magnolia Home.
No, like Hearth and Home.
Hearth and Home.
What's it called?
At Target. Hearth and Home. This pillow here is from Target. Correct. If you look very closely, you can see the quilted tree detail. Very beautiful.
You can.
And this blanket here is from Hobby Lobby, which if you go to Hobby Lobby right now, Christmas should be 60% off. So run, don't walk. The only thing that would complete this look was maybe some brown packages tied up with string.
You're such a turd.
Okay, so we have this beautiful Merry Christmas sign, which is also from Hobby Lobby. Again, discounted, 60% off if you want to find it. And we have these trees that we found at Target as well in the dollar spot. And this was a thrifted. And of course, we put some garland around our fancy mirror. All right, so it's nothing fancy, but this is our holiday home tour. I hope you got maybe some inspiration or at least some ideas. And please like, comment, and subscribe to see more Christmas stuff that we're gonna be producing. And Harvey, say Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
Hey guys, look.
Are you freaking kidding me?